Welcome to the future. This might look like a plane, but what you're seeing is a car which can sprout wings and take to the skies. In this studio in Slovakia, Stefan Klein has made his childhood dream a reality, producing a real-life flying car called the Aeromobile.
This isn't the final prototype, but as you can see, the entire object is made out of very simple materials and its design is identical to the original look. We already tested it downtown, its parking skills and driving on the highway. On the highway it reaches up to 130 kilometers per hour without any problem.
But on the highway, the Aeromobile's distinctive look is likely to turn heads.
This is the transformation when the wings open within a few seconds. This is the key moment when the angle of the wing inclination is changed. A part of them tilts, which simulates the rotation of the plane body.
Stefan hopes the car could help cut down on the time spent waiting for planes at airports, or even be used in places where airports don't exist at all. But of course he doesn't expect to solve the problems of global transportation. The latest Aeromobile model will be produced next year, and then it's hoped the flying car will finally be available for customers to buy.